friends. Today I'll discuss about, in fact, hello fools, because we all are fools in love, and today I'm going to discuss with you about fool reverse reading in love and relationship. In fact, we all are fools because we are on some or other journey of life. So starting with love in relationship. सबको मज़ा आता है इसमें, है ना? ये सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है ना? So here there is, warning that you should temper your bright-eyed trusting nature with caution. You should add little dose of caution here. It also suggests beginning, but beginning of a whirlwind kind of romance, where you will find yourself swooned over in beginning, but it will leave you hanging. There will be a lot of passion in beginning, but it will not last long. Or you might be stepping on a wrong foot. If you are struggling to land a date, relax, focus. What's wrong with you? You might be having past life traumas. So feel grounded, be realistic, and adopt the energy of fool, that is purity, authenticness, naivety. Forget about your past. This fool reversed card is suggesting you to forget about past traumas. Then only you will succeed here. And in case you want to start a new relationship, you will find that your partner, or in whom you are showing some interest, he will not take first move because of past traumas. So he might be afraid because of fear of rejection and insecurity. So help him by showing some interest, or you can also take first move, provided he is ready to accept your invitation and then putting efforts eventually. In case of new relationship, you finding that it's not taking off as expected, you are having your guards up often and are not getting to know each other, or one of you wants traditional kind of relationship and other wants unconventional. Have honest conversations, emulate energy of fool, that is fearlessness. Ask honest questions, even if you don't like the answers. That is, get out of your comfort zone here. In case of existing relationships, you are finding yourself stuck in a loop. Initially you found that there is potential in the relationship, but now you are thinking that you are not right for each other. Relationship is felt stale, it has lost its spontaneity and fun element. Here also you need to have honest conversations or give space to each other. There are chances of repair, provided you show some patience and wisdom. In case of separation, if you are asking that whether your ex would be back or not, answer is no, because he is indecisive right now, so look somewhere else. I think foolish energy, अच्छी वाली foolish energy, सही वाली foolish energy, that is love वाली, खत्म हो गई मेरे पास तो अभी. I don't have anything else to discuss here. So thank you. दोबारा मिलेंगे. Bye bye. मुझे तो लव शो करते रहना प्लीज़.